Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technically Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the ruler on your Canva design on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the ruler or how to enable the scale on the Canva design, just going to show. So if I just adding any text here, so I just going to add some text here, or just going to design the text with the effects in the design with like a logo or your design or typography, whatever. So you just need a ruler to adjust the size and also the scales just needed. So for that, first of all, click on the file option on the top. Then you have the option called setting. Click on this. Now you have the option called show rulers and girths guides. Here it's shift or click on this. So now it automatically add the ruler. You can see the vertical ruler and also the horizontal ruler. So you can just see when I just adjusting the design, you can see there is the moment on the scale. So on the sideways or on the top wise. So you can just I just going to place it on the 1000 to 4000. I just need to adjust it to the 3500. You can just adjust it like this. You can see the moment on the top. So this is how you just use the rulers on or enable the rulers on your Canva on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.